Hey guys, Coach Castle here. Today I'm doing my leg day. I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of my leg day. You guys are going to see everything except psoas today. My psoas are beat up. I'm not doing it on my leg day. I've been doing a lot of running. You guys missed my warm-up. Jump rope, pogo jumps and plyometrics, back and forth sissy squats, etc. Some mobility for about 10 minutes. Going to do my leg workout now. Should take 15-ish minutes, 3 sets. What you're going to be seeing me doing is calf raise unilaterally using the leg press. Slow tempo on the way down, pausing at the bottom, fast contraction, repeating that. After that, adductor and abductor on the machine over there. Following that, hamstring curl and leg extension for my quads. Both of those will be done with one leg each. Following that is going to be a backwards step up for my glutes. Following that is going to be a tibius raise. And again, no psoas today, or else I would have done psoas just before the tibius raise. But anyways, guys, let me show you what the workout looks like, and I'll let you guys know the time.
We can make an impact, grab and then take it.
Alrighty guys, so that's legs in a nutshell. It looks like I was at just a tad over 15 minutes. That's what it looks like. I'm dying. Hurts to squat down and talk to you guys. But yeah, so that's legs. I know not everybody has the equipment lined up quite like that, but you can always improvise. Cables, monkey feet, you know, there's 101 ways to train your legs inside the correct resistance curve. Have a great day, everybody. Oh, and remember, if you find this content helpful, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. It helps the algorithm and it helps me. And if you want to drop a hate comment because you don't understand why this is so difficult and why this loads my muscles so much, check out my other videos. I have thousands and thousands of articles and 9 books where I explain it. Anyways, guys, good luck training.